Hey, welcome to another adventure in old code. Today we're going to look at something called Mtable. Mtable. All right, you might be wondering why I'm wearing my hat backwards today. When I first wrote these programs, I wore my hat backwards all the time. I thought, why not relive the past in a more physical way? So here I am with my hat backwards, exploring my old code. Mtable. We'll just run it without looking as always. Number. I always like the number 31. Let's try that out. Yeah. Okay, we got some work to do. Let's try something else. 31 is a prime number. I did lots of things with prime numbers. Let's try maybe doing some other thing, not a prime number. Error in data. Okay. So clearly we don't know what we're doing. Okay. Oh, clear the screen. Input a number. If it's greater than 15, print error in data. Okay. So we need to enter something that's less than 15. Or 15. Okay, let's enter 11. Ah. Okay, and look at that. It produces a multiplication table, which is why I didn't want to go above 15 because it would probably run off the screen. Press enter to continue. Did you like my program? Okay, well, no. Oh yeah, well, I'll get you for this tomorrow. So I'm both mad and lazy. All right, fantastic. Let's try saying yes this time. And we'll try to do a big one. 15. There it is. The underlining at the top went to a second line, but that's all right. We get all the way up to 15 squared, which is 225. Okay, yes, this time we did like it. Well, thank you. Press any key to continue. Well, this is a small little program. I don't think there's much to investigate here. Total equals 0. One, two, three. Why am I printing 3 spaces? Input the number, print error in data. Otherwise, print 3 spaces. Oh, I see. If we do 11 here, it looks like I'm indenting the header row a bit. Why only 3 spaces? Oh, I'm not sure. Oh, okay. So what's happened? Yes, super liked it. Thank you very much. So here I'm printing the header. For e equals 1 to n, let total equals total plus e. So total was 0, and then total equals 1. Then total equals total. What? Okay. All right. E is 1 to n. So in the case of 11, I'm going 1 to 11 times, and total starts out as 0. The first time through the loop. Now this let is totally redundant. It doesn't need to be in the code. We could easily have just said this, which is what I did everywhere else. I'm not sure why I actually used the word let here, but anyway, let the following happen. So total is 0 equals 0 plus 1. First time through the loop, total is 1. We print giving it 5 spaces, whoops, and then we print 1. Now E is 2, and then total, which is 1, equals 1 plus 2. Total is now 3. Print using E, which is 2. Okay, so this indeed does my header, because all I'm doing every time is I'm printing the value of E, which is 1 to n. I'm padding it by 3 spaces, and then this print using gives it 5 spaces to print E. It will left pad with empty spaces if it doesn't need 5 spaces, 5 digits. Okay, so that explains the header row, but why am I letting total equals total plus E here? I'm not even, that's going to go 1, then 3, and then it'll add 3, it'll be 6, and then 10. It's triangular numbers. 1, 3, 6, 10. This will go to 15 and 21 and so on and so forth. Why? Okay, why? 1 to n. Print this many. Okay, this prints the underline. Okay, for the header, now for each row from 1 to n, because we're making n an n times table here, print using, okay, so print the row number, and then for each column, let p equals row times column. Okay, that's the simple answer, and then print using, and then pad the answer and print it. Next row. Press any key to continue. Did you like my program? Yes or Y or yeah. We could say yeah. Then, well, thank you. If you said no or N, then oh yeah, well, I'll get you for this tomorrow. Sleep ones. I'm not sure if I've mentioned this in the past. It sleeps for 1 second. It does nothing for 1 second. And that's that delay that we saw. Tomorrow. Oh, wait a second. We've got another case. Let's try it out. Let's do a 4 times table. Did you like my program? Maybe. Well, now you've gone and confused me. I can't seem to talk right. Command forever. Oh dear, it's probably going to go on forever. But this is something that I discovered that I haven't yet mentioned, but I used it in the videos with my brother. I figured out how to break out of programs. 1 second. Turns out Mtable.Bas allows the control break signal through a different set of codes, and it is the control scroll lock code. So if I hit control scroll lock, it should exit out of the program. Problem is my laptop doesn't have a scroll lock key. I mean, it kind of does, but I tried it before. Let me try again. Never mind. I was going to plug in this other keyboard, but clearly I don't have to. I'm not sure why it didn't work before. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I'm going to be, so now you've gone and confused me. I can't seem to talk right. I'm going to be stuck on one command forever. Command forever. Command forever. All right, well, that's been a very small adventure in old code. Thanks for joining me. Have a nice day, and we'll see you next time.